Hey there, guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the KingSeal coffee stirrers. Yeah, now these are kind of special. These are actually to use these instead of, say, a spoon or a plastic stick is a lot better. I mean, you have to try them. I mean, I know a lot of people use the plastic or a spoon, but these are very good. It's something about wood, and this one is birch wood. Something about the wood, to me, makes the coffee taste better. I don't know what it might be in my head. I don't know, but but I really like the way the wood makes the coffee taste. Now, I'm not saying it adds flavor to it, like you stick this in there and it's like a tea bag and it gives off this flavor, but it just kind of enhances the flavor a little bit, for me anyway, because I do taste the difference if I use the wood versus a spoon or a plastic stirrer, to me anyway. Okay, well, these are very good, and it makes it easy. Now, when I use these, I use two. I don't use just one stir to stir the coffee. It just helps me stir it better. See, what I do is I'll take two of these and I'll open it up kind of like this. And I'll stick it in there, stick it in the coffee, and then swirl it around just like that. Yeah. Now you're mixing your cream and your sugar and your coffee all together, with these stirrers. It just takes a second, get it all nice and going, and then you toss these. They're very good. I like these a lot, and I've used these. I mean, this box, it has 1,000 in it, okay? This box will last me probably a year, and actually there's different kinds too. But you're not going to go through these very quickly unless you have a lot of people using it. If it's just you, it's gonna last you a while. And like I said, it's birch wood, and it's just really good. And these are good also for coffee and for tea. You can use these for tea, no problem. Also, and for cocoa, you can use these for cocoa, and you stir that too. Because for me, I'd like to put milk or sugar or whatever in my cocoa too and stir it up. These work very well for that. Yeah, and also what's good about these is they are good not just for beverages. If you are doing any kind of arts and craft projects, especially with your kids, these work very well. Remember these when those times when your kid comes home and says he has to build something or he has to design or put together some kind of an art project for class or something like that. I actually put together a volcano using these. I mean, it was a very creative idea. I wish I could show it to you. These things are really good for that. I mean, to, design like any kind of art projects and get these going with some glue. It's awesome. It really, really works well. And also, it makes for a game that I don't know if they play anymore, but when I was a kid, called pickup sticks. Yeah, I remember you had to take these off without moving another one, and then whoever get the most, you moved, like that. Remember that game? These are great for that too. So it's not just for coffee, okay? Even though it says, coffee stirrers, they are multi-purpose and they work well. I mean, I mostly use them for that, but like I said, keep these in mind when you're doing your arts and crafts. You just hand these to your kids and they will go to town on making all kind of different projects with them. They're really good and they're very sturdy. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, you can glue these together, no problem. And yeah, make all kind of different things. I've made tons of different projects with my kids with these. Yeah. All right. Well, I have several different uses for these, but I think the main thing is the coffee. This lasts me about a year before I buy another one, and I like it a lot. I'm sure you will too. They're very good. All right, well, we've been talking about the KingSeal coffee stirrers. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.